Alright, here we go, guys and gals. Welcome back to Bunnings. This is the store where they actually have a lot of hardware, and I mean a lot of hardware. They've got like loads of stuff here for tools, gardening stuff, like lawnmowers, power lawnmowers, everything actually. So, and then they've got all the stuff for the main garden parts and all of that. This is actually a big, massive store. Actually, now, well, to be honest, I would say it's the same size store, but they've just added a different brand name, which is Bunnings and all of that. And we've got little grass cutters there. We've got the lawnmowers there. They're reasonably priced, actually. Reasonably, I would say. Not too. I hope I'm not going too fast for you guys and girls, but I'm only doing certain ones because they got the radio on, and I don't. Assuming I'm actually talking over the radio, hopefully they don't copyright my channel for the music in the background. But I am just uploading it, so if you guys and girls enjoy these videos, do give a big like on the channel, do favourite, share, comment, subscribe. And they've got more of these like sort of plants here as well, little ball plants. I think these ones you can put into pots and stuff. So once you put them into pots, big massive pots, then you can do, and then they've got these little baskets you can put in. So basically these round sort of plants, you can put them into these sort of plants here, pots. So they're pretty cool, the nylon ones. I don't know if they're actually nylon, to be honest. Anyway, guys and girls, cheers all for watching this episode. Hopefully this is this direction, and catch you all later. Stay safe all.